Hello! Welcome to BrightNest Learning. Play, learn, shine! Welcome to ABC Story Adventures, where letters come to life.
A is for ant, a tiny little explorer with a big dream. On sunny morning, Ant packed a leaf sandwich and set out on a journey. B is for bee. Ant's best friend buzzed over and said,
Hey Ant, where are you going?
Ant replied,
I want to find the magical cat castle on the hill.
Bee smiled and said,
Let's go together.
C is for cat, a clever kitty who lived in a castle, playing harp music and reading fairy tales all day. When Ant and Bee arrived, Cat greeted them with a warm purr.
Welcome, little friends.
Just then, the sky grew dark. A whoosh of wind shook the windows. D is for dragon, a friendly green dragon who forgot his way home.
I am lost!
He cried.
Can anyone help me?
Ant, bee and cat joined paws and wings. Together they drew a map and helped dragon fly back to his mountain. The four friends waved goodbye, promising to meet again. E is for elephant, a wise and gentle giant who loved to water his garden with his big splashy trunk. One morning, he planted bright sunflowers and hummed a happy tune. Just then, F is for fox, trotted by wagging his fluffy tail.
Good morning, elephant,
Said Fox.
Your garden looks amazing.
Elephant smiled.
Thank you, Fox. Would you like to plant some flowers with me?
Fox nodded, and together they planted seeds in neat little rows. Suddenly, they heard a giggle from up above. Looking up, they saw G. G is for giraffe, munching on leaves high up in the trees.
Hello down there.
Giraffe called.
I'm having my breakfast, fresh and crunchy.
Elephant chuckled.
Why don't you join us for a garden picnic later?
Giraffe nodded happily. As they set up their picnic blanket, they heard a loud splash. It was H. H is for hippo, who had just popped out of the pond nearby.
Sorry if I had made a mess.
He laughed.
I was just playing in the water.
Everyone laughed together. Elephant brought fruit, Fox made sandwiches, Giraffe brought leafy treats, and Hippo brought watermelons. They all sat under a big shady tree and shared a wonderful picnic in the garden. I is for iguana, a clever little artist who lived by the sea. One lazy morning, he was painting a magical shell that glows in the sunlight. J is for jellyfish. Just then, jellyfish glided in, shimmering in the ocean blue.
Wow! May I borrow your glowing shell?
Asked jellyfish politely. Iguana replied,
Yes, of course.
Off she went, zoom, swimming first with the glowing shell in her wiggly tentacles. K is for koala, who woke up slowly after a long nap in the eucalyptus tree. He stretched, yawned, and slided down to see what's going on below. L is for lion, the loud but lovable leader of the alphabet land.
Let's have a letter party!
He roared, and everyone cheered with joy. Under twinkling stars, all the ABC friends, iguana, jellyfish, koala, and lion gathered to celebrate. Jellyfish returned the magical shell with a giggle, and iguana smiles warmly. They danced, they laughed, they sang, because learning later is a wonderful thing. M is for monkey, the jungle's cheeky prankster. He swings, flips, and giggles all day long. Today, Monkey is making a mess and a masterpiece at the same time, with banana peels and paint brushes flying everywhere. N is for night owl, wise, quiet, and always awake when the stars shine bright. She hoots gently with a smile. It's bedtime, monkey. No more mess tonight. Time to tidy up and nest down. O is for octopus with 8 arms and lots of charm. She collects shiny seashells and dances in the deep blue sea. Suddenly, a bubbly surprise floats up from the ocean. A glowing pole carrying a letter O from the coral kingdom. P is for penguin. Proud, playful, and planning a fantastic parade on the icy snow.
Letter big and small, come dance at Penguin's parade ball.
Calls penguin as the snow sparkles and the fun begins. And so the magical ABC parade begins with giggles, glitter, and glowing letters. Q is for quail. One sunny morning in ABC land, Quail tiptoed through the meadow. She was on a quiet quest to find something special, a gift for her best friend's surprise party. R is for rabbit. Suddenly, Rabbit came hopping along full of energy.
Where are you going so early?
He asked.
I am on a secret mission,
Whispered Quail. Rabbit's eyes sparkled.
Can I help? I baked a carrot cake.
Together, they skipped up through the woods. S is for seal. By the seaside, they met Seal, who was happily clapping and balancing a bright beach ball on his nose.
Want to play?
Seal giggled.
We are on a quest.
Quail said softly.
But maybe a quick game?
They laughed, played catch, and Seal gifted them a shiny seashell to take along. Soon they reached a hill where a colorful maze was happening. T is for tiger, and it was tiger covered in paint, creating stripes and dots on a huge birthday banner.
I made this for the party,
roared Tiger proudly.
but I need help with the final touches.
Together, Quail painted soft leaves, Rabbit added stars, and Seal painted webs. And just like that, the banner was complete. That evening, as the sky turned golden, they all arrived at the party spot. Their surprise gifts, cake, banner, and laughter made it the best party ever. U is for unicorn. One bright morning, the sky was painted with fluffy clouds and sunshine. It was a perfect day for something special. Under a big umbrella on a sandy beach sat the unicorn, brushing her sparkly tail and dreaming of flying.
If I could fly, I would visit every corner of the sky,
Unicorn said. V is for vulture. Just then, the vulture swooped down with a big grin.
Need a flying lesson, unicorn? Hop on my back. I will show you how it's done.
Unicorn giggled,
Let's go!
and off they soared into the sky, twirling and laughing. W is for whale. Far below by the waves, the whale popped out of the water with a splash.
Wow! Look at you! Two up there! I wish I could fly like that, but I got the sea to swim.
They all waved at whale, who blew a happy water spout and made a rainbow. X is for X-ray fish. Suddenly, something mysterious flashed in the sky. It was the X-ray fish wearing flying goggles and glowing like a space explorer.
I built a sky scooter to zoom through stars. Who is ready for a cosmic ride?
The friends cheered and followed X into the sparkling sky, past clouds, stars, and giggles. They zipped and zoomed until the sun began to yawn. It was time to head home. As the stars twinkled above, the laters promised to meet again for more fun, magic, and laughter. Study ended with a swirl of stars, but today is the grand finale in Alphabet Land. Y is for Yak. Yak arrived early with flowers tied to his horn and a big smile. Good morning, friends. I brought joy and giggles for everyone. Z is for zebra. Just then, zebra coming zipping through the field carrying rainbow balloons.
Let's make today zany and zoomy!
From A the ant to X the X-ray fish, everyone joined in, forming a giant alphabet circle in the meadow. They played games, danced in loops, and even made a giant alphabet cake. Every letter shared what they loved most about their journey. You, the unicorn, began to sing.
From A to Z, we have come so far with stories, friends, and the shooting star.
The letters gave each other high five and happy hugs. They had made a family, one that started with a single letter and grew with every tale. As the sun dipped low, the animals and letters lay on the grass looking at the stars.
Even if this adventure ends, we will always have our stories.
And with a blink and a sparkle, the fireflies lit up the sky with words, "The End." Thank you for joining us from A to Z. Don't forget to watch all the episodes, give us a big like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more magical stories, because in Alphabet Land there is always another adventure waiting. See you next time. Bye-bye.